Good morning, children. Now this is 8th class social studies, children. In the previous video, I said about some points about this lesson, children. What is the first lesson? Reading and analysis of maps. Reading and analysis of maps. So here, maps are very useful to the rulers, to the sailors. Okay, children. Ruler means on those days emperors or kings. Sailors means they are traveling in oceans and seas, far places. They reach far places from their native places. When they reach far places from their native places, they prepared some map how to travel and what is the distance, etc. They explained to the associates. Next to even the kings also, they are very much interested to prepare maps. So that's why they allowed some people to prepare maps. Why? Because they need what is the kingdom, how many places are there, what is the distance. Next, how about villages, towns, lakes, rivers, mountains, fertile lands. Okay, so each and everything they must know. So that's why the kings wanted to prepare the maps. Okay, children. Here, Alexander, we know he was a great emperor from Greece or Greek. So he wanted to conquer the whole world. In this way, he started everything his soldiers. He reached our country also 2300 years ago. Okay, children. So finally, he returned in the middle of the journey. He died. That is the history. But what happened here? He wanted to conquer the whole world. How he came to our country with the help of some roots, some information. Okay, children. Next, Greeks, they developed maps, exact maps, children. How they developed maps? With the help of some imaginary lines. What are the imaginary lines? Longitudes and latitudes, children. Here, imaginary lines are latitudes and longitudes, children. With the help of these latitudes and longitudes, they prepared some maps. With the help of these maps and with the help of this route, they easily reached that concerning places, children. Next, the preparing maps are not an easy task, children. It is very difficult one. So 2000 years took place for preparing of maps, children. Okay, it's not preparing map only within 1 year or 2 years. 2000 years, many people they did hard work and they found many places discovered. Okay, so they added the information. What are the places? What is the distance? Where are the oceans? Where are large water bodies, lakes, rivers, new persons, new areas, etc. Okay, children. Ptolemy, he is one of the geographer. So he prepared the map, children. Exactly, he prepared the map with mathematical calculations, children. Next to Greece, also Greece means the Greek people also prepared maps. After Greece, the Roman. So Roman traveled with the help of this map. He reached our country, coastal areas, children. So they did business with our country. So they traveled from our country to their country. Okay, for the business purpose. Next, children, they reached Asia continent, especially India and Sri Lanka. But in their map, how they showed our India, it was a small one, children. But they showed Sri Lanka was a big one. Actually, Sri Lanka is a small one, India is a big one. But with their information, what they know, with that information, they prepared Sri Lanka was a big one, India is a small one. Why? Because they reached India, what is the coastal area? So that's why they believed India was a small one. Okay. Next, Arab scholars also prepared the maps. Among them, Al-Idris. So he prepared the world map. Why? Because this king asked. So that's why he prepared in Europe and Asia. What is the small information he knows? With the help of that small information, with the center is Arab and the remaining Eurasia, Europe and Asia and Africa. Now what is a small one? He prepared with that information, the world map. Next to Arab or Arabia is the center one. In which map, children? Al Idris prepared map. Okay. Next to Chinese also developed map, children. Chinese also. Okay. Why? Because their emperor, they know about their all villages, towns, crop areas, rivers, lakes. Okay. Each and every thing. So that's why Chinese also developed, children. So in that Chinese world map, they gave importance about their region of China and some part of Asia, Europe, Africa, etc. In our Indian Ocean area, up to Cape of Good Hope, we prepared the map, children. Why? Because that is the traveling area. Okay. Next to Daming Hun Yi Tu. What is name? Daming Hun Yi Tu. Very important, keep in mind. So he prepared the map 17 square meters with made of silk cloth, children. When he prepared the world map 1389 in China. Why? Because his emperor asked, so that's why he prepared the world map. What he knows, the information about China, Africa continent, Asia continent, or Indian Ocean, etc. area. Okay. Next to, if you carefully observe the scripture Bible. So according to Bible, one person was there. His name is Noah, children. So Noah had 3 children, and he had 3 children: Shem, Ham, Japheth. Okay. So the first one, Shem, belongs to Asia continent. So that's why in the according to Bible, the preparation of map, he gave importance and he showed the bigger one, Asia continent. Next, Europe and Africa were the small ones. Okay, it was next to children 1480 Ptolemy books. The people, when they studied the Ptolemy books with the mathematical calculations, they astonished how Ptolemy prepared the world map. Okay, with the help of Ptolemy world map, they also prepared world map, children. 15th century, non-Arabic world also, not only the Mediterranean Sea and the surrounding places. What are the places in Arabia, Asia, China, India, Indian Ocean, Europe, etc. With the help of these all, they prepared. Next one, when they are coming, the Europeans, when they are coming from European country to our Asian countries through Mediterranean Sea, the Turks, they wanted the sea route. So that's why they started, land route. So that's why they started to discover sea route of our country. Okay, so in this way Columbus started his journey through Atlantic Ocean with westward, and he discovered some new lands. They are called West Indies, okay, North America, South America areas. Next, Vasco da Gama, he started his journey with the help of the previous ones. So finally he reached Cape of Good Hope. After he entered Indian Ocean and he entered Arabian Sea, finally he reached our country place, Calicut, children. Okay, so when the people are reaching the places what they did not know before, they prepared and they wrote in their books the length of how many kilometers or how many miles traveled and what are the places about geography conditions, climate, atmosphere conditions, etc. Okay. Spain, England, Portugal, Holland. So these are the European people. They traveled for their business purpose and they reached Asian countries and African countries. Okay, in this way, Holland, 16th century, one man, the father of Dutch. Dutch means what, children? Now Dutch, Holland, Netherlands. At present, Netherlands Holland or Dutch. That people are called Dutch. Okay, the father of Dutch is cartographer. What is the cartographer? His name is Gerardus Mercator. What is his name, children? Gerardus Mercator. Okay, so his tenure is 1512 to 94. So that was his life tenure, children. So he prepared the Mercator projection. What is that? Mercator projection, children. So that is about map, children. I want to show you these persons. All Idris map, Chinese map, according to Bible map. Okay, you come to the page number. Once you look, children. So now this is map by Al Idris. How Idris designed or prepared the map with the information what he knows. Look, children. Do you find where is our India in this map, children? It may not possible. Next, children, map of Damingu, Hum, Yi, Tu of China. Now look at, children, where is India in this map, which is prepared by Chinese people. Okay, children. Now you turn the page. According to Bible, they prepared map. First one is, this is the bigger one, Asia continent, children. Shame. Next one is, maybe this is Africa. Next one is Europe. Shemu, Hamu, Japheth. So Japheth occupied the land of Europe, children. Europe means England, France, Netherlands, okay, Greece, Switzerland, Rome, etc. Africa means what, children? Egypt, Libya, Sudan, Ethiopia, South Africa, Nigeria. Okay, these countries land, children. Next, this is Asia continent. Asia continent means what, children? China, India, Indonesia, okay, Mongolia, Japan, Philippines, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, some part of Russia. So this is the area of Asia continent, children. So this was prepared by the help of Bible, children. Okay, because in that one they focused about Asia as a big one. Why? Because in this Israel country is there. So the birthplace of Jesus Christ is in Israel country, children. So that's why they showed Asia continent is a bigger one, children. Okay, so this one. Now look, children, here another map. What is the map? Map based on mathematical calculations prepared after reading the book of Ptolemy. So they exactly prepared with the mathematical calculations after Ptolemy information. Now look at, children, maybe it is similar to our recent map, our present map, children. Is it right or not? Okay. Now you turn the page once you turn the page, children. Look at, children, world map of Gerardus Mercator of in 16th century. I said the father of Dutch cartographer Gerardus Mercator. Okay, so he prepared the map. Look, children, he belongs to Netherlands. Netherlands means Holland, children. That people are called Dutch. What they are called? Dutch. Now you look at this is maybe Africa continent, this is Europe, children, this is Asia, children. Okay, this is North America, South America continent, children. Okay, why? Because they traveled and reached Africa continent and also Asia continent. Okay, Indonesia, etc. area. So that's why with their information they prepared like this. Okay, children, I will explain the remaining lesson in the next class. Thank you.